In this video, I'm going to show you how to private Spotify account. Now, if you are new to this channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Once you've subscribed, please go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you, guys. Now, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to open your Spotify app and ensure that you've logged into your account. So, once you are here, you need to click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then you need to go to settings and privacy. Then you need to type on privacy and social. Then you're going to see recently play artist. You need to close that button. Then on private session, you also need to close that button. Then if you come down here, profile visibility, followers and following. On your profile, people can see who is following you and who you are following. You also need to close that button. So once you've closed all those buttons, your account has been made private. So that's it, guys. That's how to private your Spotify account. Now, if you found value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.